Castaway.
Yep.
The last
Castaway.
day.
Last day. Sad day.
Castaway. We have a family cabana, cabana number 10. Span. And we're gonna go see Moana today.
Moana.
And possibly
Moana.
Captain America.
Captain America.
Brave New. Daddy's gonna feed you. Big mouth. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. See, we were just at Castaway 2 months ago.
Waiting to go to Castaway. Now you crawling. Why couldn't you do this yesterday? Huh? Why couldn't you do this yesterday? Baby's girl. Hi, baby's girl. Oh, hi, baby's girl.
We're on Castaway. Oh. We were just here 2 months ago.
I love the island.
We had the Christmas decorations. Post office.
Do you see that?
Baby girl. We're here on Castaway. We got parted from our group. You forgot your magic band, so we wouldn't have been able to get you back on board. Had to run up there and get it. But we're off. See the ship. Go catch up with the family. You ready, baby girl? Go have fun. All right.
Baby girl, you got your stuff.
Got her magic band.
Yay.
All right.
Yay. So nice out today. Look at the two dads. Yeah. Here we go.
We go to 10.
Wee.
In the woods.
We're in the jungle.
We're in the jungle.
We are pretty far.
This is where we get shot and murdered.
These dudes are gonna leave us here.
Oh no.
We're 10.
10.
We are 10. Our name will be on the
There's cribs. Look at our cabana. Two cribs.
Have your freshwater shower, your hammock, your floats, your tubes, snorkeling gears, bicycle rentals, all are included. Alright? Sorry, just excuse me for a minute. Copy that, cabana 60.
And I think we can change the music to spa music in here. Oh, see, music selection.
That's gonna put me to sleep though.
Senses spa.
Well, in an hour when we put the babies in here, that'll be good.
How about the sounds of Hawaii? Or what about, what's pub music?
I don't know, they went to Paris and found that money.
Didn't sound like this. Well, this is, yeah.
No, this is the sounds of Hawaii.
Oh, yeah, it sounds like.
Towels. Evelyn! What are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
She can be a little more on her own on
A little bit till she like gets on her hands and feet, starts crawling. Make sure she doesn't fall off the edge.
And she'll learn. Like she didn't want to say.
I mean, that's right. She'll learn. Look at our view. It's amazing.
I'll get you a wet towel.
It'll be pretty cool in the video. Somebody needs a nappy nap, but they're not going.
Oh, is this the food right here? That's actually at Flippers and Floats. Three.
Three and one back. I am. How about you?
It just took a while to get out of here.
Oh, it took forever.
But it's amazing. The water feels great.
Oh, yeah. Water's great. Yeah, it was cool because I only made it to Dumbo last time. It was cool to watch everything else.
I like Dumbo. Dumbo was cool.
Yeah.
Did you get all the footage?
Yeah, I think so. We'll find out in a little bit. Yeah.
You can't want to do it.
Evelyn, look. The bird.
Bye bye, girl.
See the bird? Oh, there.
Bye bye, girl. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh,
Bless you again.
you're kind of like Mama. You have 3 sneezes.
Yeah.
Hi, Evelyn. Did you miss Mommy and Daddy? Oh, rude. We're at Cookies 2 because it is right next door to the cabana entrance over there. And we're gonna be getting some food and then taking it back. We didn't eat at Castaway last time, so I'm excited to eat here this time. Right, but the last time.
Yeah, the last time.
So we're excited.
Burgers? Alright.
Where's the salads?
Over here, right here.
Yeah, salads are first, and then there's like burgers, brisket, and chicken, and
Alright. Cool beans. Plate. Salads and pasta salads and potato salad. I think I'm gonna get me a little bit of potato salad. Alright, burgers. All kind of burgers with the fixins and hot dogs. Rotisserie chicken. Pork ribs. I'm gonna grab some of those. Alyssa got some fish. Then you got beans and corn. You got I'm gonna get some ribs too. We got chocolate chip cookies, some Texas cornbread, some lemon raspberry cake, and some brownies. Yeah, I got a cookie and a brownie.
You got salmon. Can we save this for her?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I cut it. No promise is what you want.
Does they have a cleaner shelter? I see boxes.
She's just a baby. Just a baby. Yeah, finally.
Oh,
Baby's gone.
to you when you
Baby.
said that.
I don't think he got it. I don't think he understood the reference. No IPA, so I got a Corona. It's fine. Yep,
Have a bite time. We only ordered it about 2 hours ago.
yep. I told him we're gonna die of thirst by the time he gets here. I don't think he got it.
Hi, bye, girl.
You're swinging the hammock too fast.
Oh, I'm tired, baby. You want to put a regular diaper on?
I see it on your chest.
Or do you want to go to the splash pad? Hi, baby girl.
Cabana taxi for cabana manager.
I took a really cute picture of her.
Yeah, you got one?
You go back to the ship? You go back to the ship?
Yeah, you can. No, we really gotta get off the boat tomorrow.
Aw, boo.
After break.
Why didn't you get her an Olaf cup? Go shopping?
Mm-hmm. Are we getting anything from Castaway?
See, I love that, but it's just... Oh my god, the shorts are so cute. Oh, I love that. That's so cute.
Oh, it's
What's
a
Daddy
perfect
doing?
nap hat. Perfect nap hat, huh?
What's Daddy doing to you?
Oh,
Is that a jacket? Jima, did you want anything?
hi.
It's the best view in the world, right there. See you later, Castaway. We'll be back. This is my first bowl of the trip and it's on the last day. I know. It's really sad. I might still need to get some mac and cheese.
Back in the veranda as we're about to set sail from Castaway. Awesome cake. Sitting.
Slice.
The what?
That's what it's called, an opera slice.
Nice. Does it make you go, oh? Almost. Somebody's up from her nap. She had an exhausting day. I am going to Captain Hooks Barbery. I'm going to get my facial done and a shave and all that.
Yeah.
Yep,
Are you excited?
I am a little bit.
Yeah.
Somebody else gets to shave my face and rub lotion all over me. It's Minnie Mouse.
How's it going?
It's going all right. Oh yeah?
You just
Oh,
hanging out,
thank you.
enjoying the sea breeze?
Absolutely. Yep. Yep. Had a great day on Castaway.
Is that good? Is that piece of paper really good? The tag? Oh, yeah. You ready to go see Moana tonight? Moana, Moana. Yeah. What's wrong with the other shoe? Oh, now you don't like that one? Oh, you're going back to the first one? Yeah. They're gonna blow. Yeah. Where's another one?
So,
Oh, yes, yes.
I got a whiskey old fashioned. What kind of whiskey?
I had that yesterday.
It
It's
says
very
that
good.
Blendon's bourbon in it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very good.
All right, we're gonna try
Do you
this.
like bourbon? Want me to take one?
Video.
Oh, I forgot my watch. Wait, sir,
Oh,
sir,
that's
sir.
pretty good.
Oh, wait, I got my tag thing.
That's very smooth. Mm-hmm.
Did you have Whistle Pig last night?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
The high-end one, ma'am.
Oh, of course you did.
Hmm.
I need to do that one day. And what other ones did you have?
One country of each, ma'am. One Scotch, one Irish, one Japanese.
Oh, which Japanese did you do?
Hibiki, ma'am.
I don't know either. Oh my goodness.
Smoking the whiskey. That is awesome.
Was that fun?
Mm-hmm. Can you use this little machine on meats and get smoked meats like in 20 minutes?
Look at that beauty.
Oh man.
Rum's in here? It's just all bourbon.
No, a rum, the only one expensive rum what I have is the Dictator rum.
Mm.
That's 45.
Decatur, Two Masters
Yeah, I want to buy that.
up there.
Which one? Show me which
The
one.
Dictator rum right on top of
How is that? I don't like
These
rum,
are
but how is
really-
that so I can show them?
It's a good one, man.
All right, go for it. All right. Here I go, all nice and not shaved yet. Getting started. Here we go. Say hi.
Hi, good day.
So this was amazing. It really was. Close shave. Oh my god, it feels so good. A whole bunch of products and stuff used on my face. Moisturizer, cleanser. Smells great. Smells greatness in here. A few people came in here, made drinks, had a whole smoky smell. Fantastic. But facial and the shave, everything, it's absolutely great. I gotta run. I gotta go to the
We're ready for Moana. Are you ready for Moana? Got my popcorn. Get your punky pump. Oh, you got Raja. You got Raja. Theo's asleep.
Well, a very good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the Walt Disney Theatre. Just a reminder at this time that there is no saving seat.
eventually she fell asleep. Oh. Thank you. One last lounge we have not been to. We're gonna see if we can get in. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Seats? Comfy seats? We finally made it to the Periscope pub. Our last lounge that we have not been to yet. I'm so excited. So I really would like maybe some fish and chips or the bangers and mash. We will see. I'm kind of curious about this orange guava IPA. I got my beer. Eddie, yours looks really weird. What does yours taste like?
The top half or the bottom half? That just tastes like a ginger ale.
Yeah?
Oh,
Oh, Eddie hates his drink. Maybe you should change it out.
oh, I need to mix it up because this is like whiskey.
Mix it. Are you gonna like it if it's mixed up?
Oh, will only get better. Ooh, all right. Oh, that's better.
Okay.
That's much better. All right, your guava IPA.
It's good. It tastes like the grapefruit beer.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Probably better than whatever you're drinking.
I doubt it. Well, I don't know.
Taste it.
You taste mine.
Oh.
Go for it.
Oh, Lord.
No, it tastes good now. Now it's all mixed up.
Yeah, that's good.
That is good. Now that it's all mixed
That's
up.
good, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Taste mine.
I like mine better,
Cool.
which is weird.
I'm not gonna drink all that beer.
I'll finish it. Dude, mine reminds me of what we had at the Scat Cat Lounge.
It is, yeah, it does. Look at you trying all these new drinks.
Dude, I had a very expensive whiskey drink
What?
from Hooks Barbery.
Oh, that's cool. What? Slacker. So I got the fish and chips, and Eddie got the wings. He got two different flavors.
Yeah, I got Hades hot.
Try the Hades hot.
I can smell the Hades hot.
What'd you get?
I'm here.
She's here. Whoa.
What flavor of hot would you get?
Buffalo. I got buffalo.
That's what I got down here.
Yeah, but now
Buffalo.
the Hades infected it.
That's fine. Hot sauce, it ain't bad.
No. Okay, that's cool.
It's not like my mouth is on fire.
That's fair.
The tartar sauce is so good.
Is it? I'm excited. This is literally the last stop. We haven't been here yet.
I can't welcome to where welcome to my world.
Oh, interesting. What are you gonna get? A milkshake? Oh. Maybe I'll get some gelato.
You can make any milkshake you want.
Yeah, but what if I just want gelato?
You can just have a scoop of gelato.
Okay. Oh, that's too funny.
The raspberry mango and the
What is that one that's all empty?
They have names on them.
I thought that said water gelato and I was really confused. Get a bark. No, those look nasty. Those look nasty.
No. But they're picture match.
I want that. The red velvet brownie.
Go for it. I think you should get the posh cookie because it's picture match.
But so is that one.
That one's cute. That's what I gave her.
Apparently this has been Caitlin's home for the past 7 days.
We actually haven't come
How
that
many pounds have you gained?
I don't know.
I know she came to the Sweets on the Dream like every day. You came to the one on the Dream like every day.